Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aya and thanks for tuning in. This is my second client makeup tutorial. If you didn't check out the first one, don't worry, I got you, girl. I'll put the link to that video right up top or down below in the description bar, so be sure to check that out. So in my videos, I typically don't like to state the obvious. I like to give you guys tips and tricks, or if I feel like it's something that, you know, I feel like I can further elaborate to you guys, then I do so. So I filled in her eyebrows with my Colourpop black and brown eyebrow pencil, and that is a pencil that I feel like everyone needs in their kit. It's $5. You can't go wrong with it. And then I'm just using my concealer to clean up underneath her brows. And for the best outcome for eyebrows is, you know, honestly, to ask your clients if they can come with their eyebrows groomed, or if they come with them ungroomed, you can also ask them if it's okay if you can clean them up a little bit for them. And then you move forward from there. So now I'm using the P.LOUISE RUMOUR base as my eyeshadow primer, and I typically used to use concealer for this step, but there's no reason why I'm not using concealer. It's just that this product is really expensive. So me, it's just making sure that I'm using it because I spent my money on it, so I'm not just gonna let it sit in my kit. Now we're gonna go into the Morphe 3502 palette. By the way, this is one of my favorite palette, guys. It's very versatile. And I'm just placing the color Chestnut right where her crease folds. I think that placement is very important. And then I'm going to work on blending it upwards into her upper crease area. Now I'm using the shade Jezebel, which is almost identical to Chestnut, but a little darker. And this will just give that area more warmth of color. Now I'm going in with this cream shade from the Magic palette, and I'm packing this halfway onto the eyelid, and then I'm going to go in with this light brown and repeat the same exact step. So for these kind of eyeshadows, you want to make sure that you apply your first layer and then you go back in and apply your second layer to blend between the two eyeshadow colors. So I'm using this Urban Decay glitter liner as a topper for the eyeshadow, and the black liner that I'm using has actually been discontinued, but a good substitute for that is the NYX matte black liner. To prime her face, I'm using Milk of Magnesia, and if you're not familiar with what that is, don't worry, link to my last video talking all about it is right up top or down below in the description bar, so you can check it out at the end of this video. For her foundation, I am using M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundations, and yeah, pretty much everything else after this is self-explanatory. I put some little clips in here of me, you know, Samira almost beat me up in this video, but you guys will see for yourself. Yes, yes, yes. Get it, girl. So now we're about to set underneath the eyes, the nose, the forehead, and behind the nose. Don't forget to put powder in the creases of the nose because some people tend to get a little oily back there too, especially if they have tight corners. My little trick that I like to do with blush is basically like just lightly sweeping the brush only on the apples of the cheeks. Nah, you look like a Nigerian princess.
Never ever disrespect me like that.
Wait, that's disrespectful?
I'm Ghanaian, okay?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry. Ah! Hey, is that me?
She's so dramatic.
I'm mesmerized.
We're mesmerized. She looks good, so she's gonna steal the shine.
I look big.
And my camera is dying, but she has to go, and I really appreciate her taking the time out her day to record this video with me for you guys. And I look crusty, so don't wonder why I'm not in the video, because I don't look as good as she does. And you know what? She's the star of the show. So watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video and like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to support your girl.
Glam by IA on Instagram. It's gonna be down here. Bye.
Bye bye.